Hello everyone, my name is Vikash and I am legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am final year student of LLB 3 year. The purpose of this video is to create awareness on water pollution. Today human activities are constantly adding industrial, domestic and agriculture wastage to groundwater reservoirs at an alarming rate. Groundwater contamination is generally irreversible. That is, once it is contaminated, it is difficult to restore the original water quality of aquifer. Excessive mineralization of groundwater degrades water quality, producing objects naval taste, odor, excessive hardness. Although the soil mantle through which water passes acts as an absorbent, retaining a large part of colloidal and soluble ions with its cation exchange capacity, but groundwater is not completely free for the menace of chronic pollution. We have long believed that groundwater is quite pure and safe to drink. Therefore, it may be alarming for some people to learn that groundwater in fact may easily be polluted by any one of the following sources. Problem of groundwater pollution can be understood by two examples: Love Canal episode 1976 to 77 and arsenic poisoning in West Bengal, India. In most of cases, the quality of groundwater is good and it can be safely used without any elaborate treatment because the water before getting stored in the ground reservoirs undergoes natural filterization during this. Further, the groundwater is generally free from suspending impurities and organic matter, which is responsible for the development of disease producing bacteria. The groundwater is therefore less likely to be contaminated by bacteria. In some cases, depending on the characteristics of the geological formation with which the water comes in contact, the groundwater may contain large amount of dissolved salt, mineral, gases, etc., which may impart different taste, may be considerable. It gets polluted. The various causes of groundwater pollution are following. The groundwater may polluted on account of infiltration, proselytization, and domestic and municipal sewage and septic tanks, water, wastewater, disposal pond, etc., industrial waste, organic waste from food processing industries, lumber processing industries, etc., mineral water from metal processing industries, mining and ore extraction industries, waste from oil industries, chemical industries, rain falling on sanitary landfills, dumping ground from solid or semi-solid refuges, chemical landfills, dumping ground from solid and semi-solid waste from chemical industries, etc. The quality of groundwater may be degrades due to infiltration and porosylation, irregulation, return water contaminates with dissolved filterization, and defects use of cultivation. Interchange between aquifer due to improperly constructed defective interchange between aquifer due to differential pressure level resulting from excessive withdrawal, overdraft condition, seawater, upward lateral combination, water due to overpumping, inflow and purification of juvenile water from highly mineralized supplying streams. The most important measure which may be adopted to control groundwater pollution is to locate the well in such a way that the minimum distance from the well is possible sources of pollution are great enough to provide reasonable assurance and subsurface flow. Seepage contamination water will not, which